Hi guys, this is Ben Morton and welcome to this week's Friday Thoughts video, which isn't a Beagle Tales video as Sadie the Beagle hasn't been with me that much this week. So today I want to share something that had come out of a leadership program that I've been running for a group of senior leaders in a client business. More specifically, something that came out of one particular session in that program, which is around the power of language and the impact that the words that we use, whether we say them out loud or whether it's our internal dialogue, the impact that those words have upon our state and the state of those around us. A word or phrase that cropped up that many people, including myself, said we use quite a lot is, "I'm really busy." When people ask, "How are we?" or "How it's going?" we default to, "It's busy, I'm really busy," which isn't a particularly useful phrase or particularly useful words to use for a couple of reasons. One is I think it creates a slight sense of anxiety and pace that isn't always helpful. And secondly, I think we have become conditioned in society and in the world of work to attach our worth or value to how busy we are, to how full our diary is. And I think that's a linkage that needs breaking. But I haven't yet been able to find an alternative word to busy or an alternative phrase to "I'm really busy" that's going to be more helpful for me. And no one in the group I was working with could really either. So if you've got a really valuable suggestion for a more useful alternative to busy or "I'm really busy," I'd love to know. Wherever you're watching this, drop it in the comments or the chat section, and let's see what we can crowdsource and come up with together. That's it for today's session, folks. Have a good rest of the day. Have a great weekend. See you next week and lead on.